Namaste, bhai. So
Namaste.
I would like to tell my feedback about this course that I really enjoyed this course a lot. Last year, I did the Science Behind Sanskrit Construction course, the same Vyoma book that was taught in a way that making the sentences. So in this course, I really would like to thank Vyoma for providing me the tips and tricks and making me to write, especially although it has been aimed for the school students. I joined this course uh, because I wanted to learn the writing, how the Vyoma is teaching the writing. So it is enforcing the writing habit, and also how one can make the mistakes and they can correct themselves. Although we are saying it correct, writing is very important. So I would like to, this is a different dimension. Every time I admire Vyoma that offering the course, the same content with different dimensions. I learned a lot in this course. Thank you very much.
Dhanyavadaha.
Dhanyawad.